Hello and welcome to another daily update by Market Intel. I am on the dailymarketupdate.com website. If you use the link in the video description, you get to this website as well, and you can register here for free for daily Elliott-Wave market updates. So you will receive free daily Elliott-Wave updates if you register on our website. And then these updates are about different asset classes, including oil, the stock market, cryptos, gold, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500. Today we want to talk about cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin. And what we do, we take a look at the daily chart first. I want to give you a good idea of the context of the Bitcoin chart, because obviously the crypto market is continuing to follow our bullish outlook, the roadmap that we have on the chart. We talked about it already a few times before. Bitcoin is currently in an uptrend and has been for more than a year, and basically the price has more than tripled. More than tripled in this period since November 2022, and specifically early 2023 it became obvious that there is an uptrend, especially after completing here this 1-2 setup in orange. So we had a first 5-wave move to the upside in wave 1 in orange, followed by a wave 2 pullback. It landed in one of our trading zones back then. That was a really good time to get in. That was sort of around about March time 2023, and that was also like a jump off point for this entire rally that we see right now. Most of 2023 was characterized by a correction, however, because we had another rally in green wave 1 afterwards, so basically a 1-2 setup. But this green wave 2 then really took a long time, I think nearly half a year, and very frustrating price action. All of this was simply a long correction. And now, obviously, when that correction finished at $24,840, this larger degree third wave started. A very aggressive rally. No surprise that it is aggressive. I mean, we had a 1-2 setup down here. Typically, after a 1-2 setup, a third wave rally follows. Sometimes you have another more extended 1-2 setup, which is then part of, in this case, the orange wave 3. Sometimes the market offers another deeper pullback that can be used to find maybe long entries. And that was the case here in this green wave 2. Now, it seems like we are in green wave 3, and we have been for a while. And this green wave 3 could be nearly over. We are going to take a look at that on the 4-hour time frame in a minute. Then there should be another wave 4 correction, another wave 5 of orange wave 3. So here you see how this all comes together. Then orange wave 4 and orange wave 5, which might even take us into all-time high territory. Maybe there's a short rally into new all-time high territory and then a rejection, because the forecast suggests that with orange wave 5, a larger degree wave 1 is going to complete. So basically what we saw down here, that was early 2023 in small, should happen in large. Basically, at some point when we have 5 waves complete, this entire distance needs to be corrected. And if the wave count is correct, then it is possible that we rally to all-time highs before another correction happens. This wave 2, which is not shown here on the chart, but this wave 2, which would be in blue, would provide a great potential entry opportunity, or at least it's an opportunity as long as certain support levels are holding, that then another third wave rally follows afterwards. So at the moment, however, we first have to complete this rally. We don't want to provide any short trading zones here at the moment, because the uptrend is very aggressive. And sometimes these uptrends take longer and are more aggressive than you would think is reasonable. So we rather focus on the long side until this wave pattern is full and until we see evidence that wave 1 in blue is complete. Instead, actually, these support areas that we can define once, for example, here the third waves are finished, the support areas for wave 4, they could provide opportunities as well to look for long positions. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. And here we can see actually the sort of the last wave currently in green wave 3. Let's go back to the daily chart. I'm talking about green wave 3, which seems to be close to completion. We should then see green wave 4. Let's go back to the 4-hour. So you see it actually here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the last few days, this beige wave 4 finished, and it seems like there might be a few more squiggles left to the upside in beige wave 5 of green wave 3 to complete this structure. It was a shallow wave 4, which is not uncommon in a bullish market. And then, yeah, at some point, this green wave 4 should start, and it shouldn't be too far out. So very, very shortly, we are looking to start wave 4 in green. We had a couple of weeks correction now, but that was only like a very small sideways correction integrated in green wave 3. So we have support levels short term at 43,895 and then 38,540. Once green wave 3 is complete, we will offer a support zone for green wave 4, which could then, as I said, provide the jump off point for green wave 5 to complete, and then we should get another 4-5 pattern to complete this blue wave 1. So it's quite a bullish structure that we're dealing with here. Ideally, this roadmap is being followed to complete blue wave 1, and then the next larger pullback, which should follow afterwards, could provide an opportunity. Yeah, that's our update about Bitcoin. Hope you enjoy the update. Feel free to use the link in the video description to reach our website for free daily Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.